nice and lovely. So as you can see exactly where I'm about, I just blend up the banana, and the banana was just only 3 fingers. It half the glass right there, and I blend up, as I say, I blend up 12 strawberry very thickly. You don't need to add anything to it. You don't need to add any sugar, any sweetness, anything to it. It's just natural ingredients drink, guys. And as you can see, the strawberry is very thick. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour it straight on top of it like this, guys, just to get the flavor on top of it, just like this, and just like that. So basically you will see that lovely color all the way down inside of the glass. Take your time and go all the way down until you see, just give it a lovely color inside of the glass. But as you can see exactly where we are about with this lovely drink, really nice. And just look at the color all the way going down. The color is just going all the way down, just so thick and nice. But as you can see, it can go all the way straight and to kill that lovely white inside of it. But basically that's the color we are talking about, the red and the banana flavor color, just really amazing. And basically, if you even simple, just look at it, really nice and fantastic, guys, with the banana and the strawberry. Natural color, natural ingredients, no sugar, no artificial. Everything is natural right there. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. And as you can see, it is amazing recipe in the kitchen today. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.